Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make a quick recipe of rose lassi. So let's begin. To a blender jar, add a cup of fresh curd. It shouldn't be sour. To this, add 2 tablespoons of water, 3 to 4 ice cubes, 1 pod of crushed cardamom, 3 tablespoons of rose syrup. This also contains sugar in it. Adjust the sugar as required. You may need 1 to 2 teaspoons. Blend this mixture until it turns frothy. Pour into a tall glass. Finally, garnish it with some roasted dry fruits and a teaspoon of rose syrup. Thanks for watching.